Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you why C drive is getting filled up with no reason. Means I didn't add or copied any data to this C drive. Neither I installed any new software which I kept in C drive, but for no reason the C drive is filled up. And in this video, I'll simply and clearly explain how you can clear some data, and in further future this won't happen. Means C drive is getting filled up automatically for no reason. First of all, open the drive, C drive, and in the sorting list I tried to check the size of the folder with the top place, but this didn't work. Do one thing, in the sorting order, first of all keep here in the detail section so that it will come up in the folder section. Next, in the more section, click on date created. Date created in the sense, see here, this is observe the dates here. So this may be something like one of the recently added folder may be the reason for this automatic fill up. Check whether there is any new folder available on the computer that is making up most of the data. See here, if you right click here, if you right click any folder and click on the properties, that will show you the amount of data that folder has. So in this way you can first of all find out which folder has the highest data consuming. See here in the program files it is 85 point something GB, say for example 86 GB, and likewise in the program files this is 8 GB. So these two folders combinedly have 100 of GB. So what does this program files include? This include all my installed softwares. So if I just check like control panel here, okay, under my control panel, if I click on uninstall a program, these are all the softwares, and these all softwares combinedly have 100 GB. Say now you can take a decision. If there is any unwanted software in this, say for example right now I'm just for the tutorial purpose I'm deleting one or two softwares, uninstalling one or two softwares, and I'll show you how this results in the data saving for us. So yeah, and this data stacks also. So I deleted one software, okay, uninstall this, yes, uninstall please. Yeah, now if I check this, no, it's still the same. So one thing here is when I check the details in between in the program files, see here I have a launcher called Epic's Game Launcher in 86 or 78 GB. 70 GB is for this single folder. So now I'll just try to uninstall another software, says for example uninstall. Please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. So what I'll do is I'll just pause this video and I'll come back once it is done. Yeah, see here I'm back. That software has been uninstalled. So I'm just uninstalling another software, okay. Please wait while Windows configures Epic's Game Launcher, okay. So I'm trying to uninstall this launcher and will check immediately. It will save 70 GB of data. Other than this, I'll show you one more culprit for the C folder buildup. See here, yeah, I'll be going to this PC, then see here immediately this red got to blue, but still I need to free up some more space. For that what I'll do is, there is a download folder, see here. In the download folders, I'll just clicking on Ctrl A, I'm selecting everything. I'll be clicking on right click, then I'll be just checking the properties here. 102 GB, or you can just go to Windows logo, click on the Windows logo, then click on the settings, then under system here, then go for the storage, and click on this temporary files. In the temporary files, you see download folder has 100 GB. What you can do, and there is 1.18 GB where Windows disk cleanup and everything, temporary files and everything. What I'll do is I'll take an action called remove files. So 1.18 GB is already saved for me by clearing the temporary files. Now I'll take a action on this downloads. So what I'll do is I'll just sort with the type here. So these are all the videos, but I already have this backup and the installed software. So take an action something like delete all the unwanted videos or the files, whatever it may be, and just try to delete them. Okay, for now I'm just clicking on shift and selecting all the unwanted videos or images or something like that. So yeah, I don't want to delete this. Yeah, this time I can delete. Yeah, shift delete. Okay, now we'll check. See, 77 GB got free. And one more thing, open your Chrome and click on these three dots, then click on settings here, and then click on downloads here. Now I'm changing the C drive to the D drive. Means next time when I download anything from the Chrome, it won't get saved on the C drive. Instead I am saving it on the D drive by creating a new folder called downloads here, and I'll select this folder as my default download folder. Okay, change. So if I download anything from now on, now instead of C folder, the downloaded file gets saved here at this folder. Thus I am just making sure that C drive won't get filled up automatically, and still there is some data. See here, this is the Windows backup file which is created as my Windows 11 got updated. So this is the previous backup of the old version. So now my computer is working fine. So what I can do is I can delete this one. First of all, I'll do a small simple trick like disk cleanup here. So this step works for you. Just clean up the C drive once and it will show you all the unwanted. Select all these and click on clean up system files. Okay, so this will take a bit of time. Meanwhile I'll just try to go to the control panel, and I also, please wait while the current program is getting uninstalled. So if I delete these things, now we'll check it. 77 free, right? So what you can do is you can just have a review on the C drive and just delete it and change the default download folder to something DE or others other available softwares. And when you install any software from next time onwards, say for example I'll quickly download something like maybe what I'll do is I'll just show you BlueStacks only. Next time when you download, don't install the software in the C drive. Instead I'll show you. Instead what you can do is, see here, now it got downloaded in the D folder. See here, I'll double click on this and I click on run. Please install the software in the D drive instead of C drive. Install the new softwares in the D drive. I'll practically show you. Okay, just wait for a moment, and if it is helpful, this video is, if it is helpful to you, please do hit a like. That would be really helpful for me. Okay, it has just delected. You just need to delete all the temporary files first, and this will just save up your space. Okay, all the recycle bin items and the temporary files will get deleted. Once it is downloaded completely, I'll show you the process. Okay, just the BlueStacks got downloaded here, but when you install this, if it is asked for you to choose the location, choose D or E drive instead of the C drive. That will definitely save the data on the C drive. Instead it will get installed on D drive. If it takes default path like program files, we can't do anything, but if it gives a choice to choose the path, you can choose D or E. Likewise, I'll be just trying to this folder also, shift delete, and I'll be clicking on continue because it is asking me the administrative permission. So you need to log in as the administrator in order to delete this. Okay, for that I can use the disk cleanup. Yes, see here, this is not allowing you to delete the folder. What you can do is you can open the command prompt here and just right click and click on run as administrator. So this will open a pop-up, and now what you can do is you can just use this command rmdir and /s and /q and this path, and the path here for me is this folder. So I'll be copying this folder and I'll be replacing it here. Okay, you need to just replace this and copy this and just right click over here, or just write like rmdir just right click, it gets copied, and hit enter. Now that folder gets deleted here. Maybe once it is finished, this folder gets cleaned up, and now you can save some space in this way. See here, the Epic's game launcher and everything got just uninstalled now, and now we'll check this one. See here, 221 GB free out of 377 GB. So what I did, I'll just rewind. I just reached to control panel over my PC and clicked on uninstall a program and uninstalled all the unwanted programs here, so that it will save the space on the program files. Okay, because on the program files the installed programs will take up some space, so if we uninstall them, this will get cleared. And another thing, I tried to delete this through rmdir, but I couldn't able to do that. I need to check this. Okay, and I also cleared the download folder. See here, now the download folders in the C drive is completely empty. Instead I'm using the download folders on the D drive. Okay, next time when I do the installation process, okay, means download process, all the downloads will be appearing here. Okay, so now this C drive won't get filled up automatically or without any reason. So this space will be available completely for me in the future also, until and unless I personally install some software in this path, program files or program files x86. Okay, next time I'll be cautious and I'll be installing any software or downloading any software in the D drive, so that this time C drive won't be getting filled up. And believe me, when I restart my computer, this computer is really working too good and too fast. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. If you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like.